Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Didi, and today I actually have a sponsored video. Yay! I got an amazing package from FOUF. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but yeah. Nothing has been opened yet. I was waiting for you guys to open it and try them out. So let's do this. I'm going to be using this skincare routine for 1 week and show you how my face transforms in that week using these products. I'm so super excited. Thank you so much for your sponsorship. Let's dig in, guys. I've got a mud soap refreshing facial toner, sunscreen, facial mineral beauty serum, day energizer cream, eye contour serum, facial scrub cream, nourishing night cream, and a facial mud mask. Ooh. My special booklets. This is going to tell me everything about all the products. First one I'm going to use is the Dead Sea Mud Soap. Woo! That's this one. It's so pretty. So pretty. Let's open it. But before I do anything, we gotta tie up the hair. The crazy hair. Wonderful. Cool. Ooh, it smells so good. I want to eat it. No, I'm just kidding. This is going to help with deep cleansing and rejuvenating treatment. Ooh, yes. And it's used daily on hands, face, and body. So I'm definitely going to use this on my body. But I'll start off using it on my face today. After that is the refreshing facial toner. Let's open it. See what it looks like. Oh, it's so cute. Let's smell it. Ooh. It just smells really good. A rich blend of 6 natural plant extracts. Ooh. And it also helps to remove makeup and dirt without damaging the skin. So it's really nice. Next is the Mineral Beauty Serum. Ooh, let's open it up to see what this one looks like. Oh, it's so cute. So this one has herbal extracts and vitamins. It can be used for all skin types and it helps your skin to repair itself. Ooh. It also helps with radiance. After that is the Day Energizer Cream. Let's open this one and see what it looks like. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it smells so good. I love it. I love it. I love this smell. So yummy. So yummy. It helps you to look radiant with no oily effect, which is great. It's an ideal moisture balance with vitamins and herbal extracts. And the last one is a sunscreen. Aww. Ooh, this one smells good too. Sunscreen. Wow. And because we live in a very, very hot country, we need sunscreen. Definitely. It actually prevents premature aging of the skin and is recommended for highly sensitive skin, so that's really good. Protection against the sunlight, UV. So now I'm gonna wash my face. Just dabbing up my face feels really refreshing. Oh yes. How do I look? This is my skin. Now I'm going to be using the facial toner and I have my little cotton swab. Just gonna dab it and just put it all over. All over my face. Things are coming out, guys. Now let's use the Mineral Beauty Serum. See how it comes out. Just put a little bit. It smells so good. Yum, yum, yum. How do I look? Next is the Day Energizer Cream. Oops. That might be a lot. Oh, this one smells so good. Wow. Oh yes, definitely needs skin protection. Oh yes, wonderful. Wonderful. I'm so excited. Guys, I'm totally happy with the results from using these products every day for the week. So thanks so much for sponsoring, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. Bye. Remember, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy. If any of you are interested in advertising with me, message me on any social media link. Check out the links in the description for more information about FOUF and all of their products.